Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. I got broads in Atlanta. Just a lean in a Fanta. Pandas, welcome to the stream. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining. Welcome, welcome. It's Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Kyle Lubers reminding everyone what's good. Crush the like button. Mike Richardson, good morning from Charlotte. Hugh, good morning. Blacklight, good morning. Make sure you scalp that like button, pandas. We are about to make this trap one-to-one trade here. Hopefully we'll get it. Hopefully we'll get it. We shall see. Kind of wish I had a runner here now. Two points already made here. I could just settle here for 2 points, but I'll take the one-to-one. Good morning, everybody. Hope everyone's doing well. Market's about to open in 11 minutes here, and we are in a good trade here. It looks good, though. It looks like I'm going to get it. It needs a couple more ticks, but who knows? This could reverse on me right away. Make a little double bottom here. Anything can happen in the market, to be honest. Truly anything. Good morning, guys. Happy Camper, good morning. Mark Bailey, good morning. Expander, welcome. Good morning from 954. How's using the laptop to stream and trade? Do you find it slowing down at all? I don't. Basically, I needed a laptop strong enough, capable, just as capable as my desktop, and it is not cheap. I'll just say that right now. If you want a laptop as strong as your desktop, it is not cheap. And I'm the laptop I purchased, it is holding up. I ended up getting the Asus ZenBook Duo, the 2023 model, I guess. Um, and it is a beast. It is an absolute beast. It's a juggernaut. It's holding up pretty well, in my opinion. Still in this trade, trying to wait for him. Trying to get a one-to-one here. Oh, one tick away, Panis. We're one tick away from a one-to-one. Can I get it though? I think I can get it. Ooh, touch tickles my target. Tickles and bounces off of it. I'm guessing other people are in the same trade as me. Tickles the mark. Tickles my target again. Alright. Let's go, baby. I'll take it. Up 158. One scalp a day keeps the boss away. I mean, we could be done for today. We could be done before anyone's even started. And we could be just closing our charts because a scalp a day keeps the boss away. And we just got ourselves a nice three-pointer there. 1, 2, three-pointer. A little more than 3 points. Expander says, I have the Asus ROG Zephyrus. Yeah, it's basically the Asus ZenBook Duo. Duo? It's basic. It's a type of Zephyrus, I think. Big cameras. I heard that a lot of pro traders only make about 1 to 3 trades a day. Could possibly be true. I mean, yours truly takes about like 20. I'm just kidding. Good days, I take about 3. 3 solid trades. All right, Paz, let's take a quick look at the daily chart. I mean, we are balancing out the 240 SMA. I may just change this to 200 SMA because I know for certain a lot of traders use a 200. Let's see what 200 looks like. 200, oof. We crushed a 200 already, huh? Forget that. 240 is more accurate than that. Actually, let me add the daily chart here. Sorry to do that. I'll add a weekly chart here. See how that looks like. Why are you taking a long time loading the weekly chart? It's uncalled for. Whoa, 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 whoa. Huh. It's professional charting right now. That's some high level technical analysis. Did you see that trend line I just drew? That was incredible. It's a work of art. You guys should clip it. Clip it! Interesting. That just copied over my other charts. Oh, I see, because I copied this one. I duplicated it. That's right. That's some serious high-level technical analysis right there. Frozen Emotion says, overtrading is a major issue for me. Trying to work on it. Oh, it's not really overtrading is the issue. Actually, yeah, you can say that's the issue. At the end, it is just not trading your setup, really. Trading too large. Straying away from your game plan. I mean, if you really think about it, if you let's just say like no matter what, you'll only take 3 trades a day, you'll make it the best trades possible. You'll make them the best trades possible. Win, lose, doesn't matter. Just take 3 trades a day. We do have news at 10 o'clock Eastern time, so please be aware. We're getting a nice second entry long off the 10,000 tick chart. And this could be a nice move up here. Second entry long. Just a classic setup right there. Daily chart. We're quite far away from the 20 MA. I don't know, making back up to it. Wouldn't be surprised if we did. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Also, hopefully, you guys have watched the latest montage posted up here for you guys. Make sure you guys check out the montage. Pandas, there's only one day left to use the code BBM90. Hopefully you guys take full advantage of it. Market's about to open in 1 minute. I mean, honestly, news, anything can really cause the market to move. Even the news at 10 o'clock today. I personally think the news next week, Thursday, is going to be the big news event. Today we have news at 10 a.m. ISM Services PMI. Tomorrow we have news at 8:30 a.m. Unemployment claims. Friday 8:30 a.m. you have unemployment rate with average hourly earnings month over month. And the week after that you have news on Wednesday core PPI. Thursday FOMC at Wednesday at 2 p.m. FOMC minutes, and Thursday 8:30 a.m. the core CPI. I'm waiting for that core CPI. I'm waiting for core CPI. What can I say? That's what I'm waiting for. That's next Thursday. And the nice thing is, though, pandas, even though it's like about a week away, it doesn't matter. It's going to take the same amount of time to get funded because you need 7 trading days. So what I end up doing, I just front load my trading days, and then when the news hits, I take the news trade. Simple as that. Same amount of waiting at the end for your funded account, so no matter to me. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. Second entry long about a trigger on the 10,000 tick. Does the second entry strategy work in minute charts? Yes. Works in all time frames. Works on a daily chart if you wanted to be honest. 10,000 tick chart, you can see it creates a second entry long. Terrible signal bar, but off the 20 MA could be a nice move up. Daily chart could actually have a strong bullish move today, honestly. Sure, why not? Why not? It's due for a bounce. There's an undershoot here on this channel and come back up to the 20 MA.
Five-minute trap.
5 minute actually has a gap that it needs to fill. And I think it'll fill right now. It's very close to filling by 1 point away. Well, it was 1 point away, but now it's pretty far away. That gap probably wants to fill. I think it does at least. But who knows? Anything can happen. Just reloading my historical here. Second entry long, or sorry, second entry short here could be failed second entry short. Doesn't trigger that second entry short for that trap. You might be wondering what this blue line is. The blue line is actually on the daily chart. That previous pivot low here. That blue line is this pivot low here. That pivot low, that blue line on the 2000 tick chart right here, is actually the daily blue line here. I don't know. Looks bullish. I might be always in long on the 5-minute chart here. Shall we try? Shall we try to go always in long on the 5-minute, see what happens today? Peter Chill, welcome. Kyle Lewis, welcome. Mawashi Trades, good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everybody. Iron Cruz, Mr. Bobo. Thanks for joining. Bray, AOD Games. Oscar, welcome, guys. Welcome, everybody. Thanks for joining. It's a trap trade here. Do I like it? Kinda. I kinda do. We're above the 20 MA. Huh, but we're double topping here. I guess a better trade might be the failed trap here. Now we're beneath the 20 MA, so it's hard to take a trap on the other side of the 20 MA. Free paper cuts, welcome back. Long time follower, free paper cuts. Turtle toes and free paper cuts, those two. Long time followers. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. We're already up $158. You can see my trade markers on the screen. It's a little hard to see this one, but you can see all my trade markers. I'm the only trader out there brave enough to put out all their trade markers out for everyone to see. Goodness gracious. Do I like the long here? It could be a breaker trend to new low. H4 setup, reversal trade. Could keep catapulting to the upside here. I wouldn't be surprised. Really wouldn't be. Anything can happen here. Could be always in long on the 5-minute chart, to be honest. It could be. We do have some pretty big news events coming up, so I don't know if today's going to be a really strong move, but could easily be. Second entry long setting itself up here. Interesting. Second entry long here. Looking to kind of be always in long on the 5-minute chart here. It's a one-to-one here. Let's see if I can get the one-to-one. Thinking always in long on the 5-minute. We shall see though. It looks good. Tickles my target. Just tickles his underbelly. Just a little tickle under its belly. Just a little tickle here. We need more than that though. We need a lot more than that. Having a hard time breaking above this line. I think we're gonna get it though. Trading is so easy, pandas. Easiest thing in my life. Goodness gracious. Let's see how long I can hold this runner for. This runner might be one of those forever runners. Seriously, it could be a forever runner here. Goodness gracious. Like, it could be 20-point runner here. Look at the 5-minute chart, pandas. Like, nothing here tells me to go short. This looks so bullish. The 5-minute chart just looks super bullish right now. Thankfully, I was able to get a nice 2-point scalp. Let's see if we can get a good runner here. 20 points from this area. I mean, seriously? 20 points? 20 points? Shall we? Shall we try? 20 points? 20 points, remember, Pans, it's $1,000 with one single contract. Goodness gracious. You gotta let him cook, though. You gotta let him cook. Let him cook. You gotta let it cook for a little bit. Turtle Toes, welcome, welcome. Nitro Kevin. Kelly says, good luck, Panda. Hey, luck. Who needs luck when you got pure skill? Peter Cho, thanks for joining. Thanks for joining for a short period of time. It's always nice just to see Pandas joining. Look at this. Let him cook. Gotta let him cook. Yeah. 20 points, Pandas. I'm going for it. Thoughts and prayers, please. Vegas Future, good morning. 20 points, Pandas. Let's get it. Let's get 20 points. Easiest 20 points ever. Literally just hold it. Don't do anything else. The worst part about this, though, Pandas, is that I will have a trailing threshold if this fails. My trailing threshold, a big chunk of it will disappear. Coming to the top of the trading range on the 5-minute chart. We could bounce off of this area easily. Trading range indicator on the 5-minute chart. Pretty huge. Huh. Pandas, if you are new to the stream, I'm Bye Money. I'm currently doing a series. A scalp a day keeps the boss away. And currently we got ourselves 2 scalps and now a runner here. Does that mean that I can keep 2 bosses away? Is that how that works? I'm just gonna hold this. 20 points or I get stopped out. Either way. But the worst part is I can lose like $1,000 worth of trailing threshold, even though I win this trade. That's the bad part about this. Let's see if we'll get it though. I have a good feeling about this one. What can I say? It's a strong pullback, but it does not worry me one bit. This little pullback, you're worried that's gonna take you out? It's because you have not cultivated the power of the diamond cojones. I'm not even worried. Like, this is not gonna stop me out. That's how confident I am in this trade. It's not gonna stop me out. It's strong bear bar, it's not gonna stop me out, see? Look, it's just gonna bounce right off. It's not gonna stop me out, it's gonna just bounce right back up. Just watch. Not even close to stopping me out. I'm not even worried 1 second. Not even 1% afraid my runners can get stopped out. Oh my gosh, Pandas, I just dodged a bullet. Seriously, did I just dodge a bullet? Look at that, Pandas. I got 1 tick. Saved by 1 single tick. Doesn't come down and get me? Why would you save me by 1 tick just to get me a second afterwards? What is the point of that? What is the point of being saved by 1 tick if it's going to take you out anyways? What is the point of that, Pandas? Jeez Louise. Hey, but Pandas can dream. I'm still in the game. Technically. Pandas, look at that. Bounce 1 tick before it stops me out. That's how much I knew. I had no doubt. 0% doubt. I wasn't worried. The second thing about this, I'm losing about like 6 points of trailing threshold now, even though I'm going to win on this trade. So runners kind of suck. Ooh. Whoa. This is gonna take me out, huh? Don't do it! Ah, it gives me slippage too. It would give me slippage right there. It gave me slippage. It would. Dirty market. So dirty. Give me slippage. One tick. Pretty strong push down here. I still think the 5 minute can be always in long, but a little harder after this move down here. Possible trading range on the 2000 tick chart. This could be a decent looking setup for a trap trade, but I'm not interested in going short right now. Not at all. I'm still pretty interested in going long. Just need a good setup. Scalp a day keeps the boss away, pandas. That's today's series. Why do I say that? It's because one scalp averages about 100 points. That means, pandas, that means with 4 accounts, if you can get one scalp a day and you copy that one trade across 4 accounts, you can end 1 year trading with 6 figures. And for me, that's enough to keep the boss away. You can make 6 figures. How's that work? Well, because there's 250 trading days in a year. You multiply that by 4, which is how many accounts you have. Then you multiply that by how much you make on average per day. Let's say one scalp a day, which is $100. So that means at that pace with $100 a day on average, you can make 6 figures by the end of the year. End of 1 year of trading. This trap is failing here. I kind of want to go long on a failed trap. I wouldn't mind it, to be honest. I'll wait for the higher low to have a better trade though. Higher low is a better trade in this situation. Look at the bottom of the trading range on the 2000 tick chart. I still think the 5 minute may be always in long, to be honest. This trap may fail still. It's a good looking trap actually, in terms of setup wise. It immediately does a perfect scalp. If you got one tick retracement. Hugh says, I heard from a fella named Biggie Smalls that more money means more problems. Not sure if that's true or not. Yeah, I mean, you would only know if you have a lot of money. News is dropping 14 minutes. Yes. Youssef, thanks for the reminder. We do have news today at 10 o'clock. Good morning, everybody. Make sure you scalp that like button. It is factually true. Can confirm. Expander flexing his wealth right now. I mean, what am I flexing? $250 worth of scalping. We're gonna clap. We're gonna, you can only take what the market gives you. I mean, yesterday the market gave us a lot. A lot. You can see right now I'm currently at $1,258 on all my accounts. It's $5,000, pandas. That's 5K right there. 5K, 2 days. This is dripping down with the limit order market, just sitting on my paws. I've got no setup here. Just watching. Pandas, I hope you guys are doing well. Let me ask you guys how you guys are doing. Look at that move, bouncing on the bottom of the trading range on the 2000 tick chart. May come right back up to the top of the trading range. Like I mentioned, I still think we're always in long on the 5-minute chart. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Hmm. I think a higher low setup on the 2000 tick chart. Do I like it? Eh, it's a little bit confusing, to be honest. It seems like we're trying to create a triple top here of some sort. You know why I'm confused, pandas? This is why. You guys all know how I feel about this pattern. What's the name of this guy here? Goodness, you know I hate this pattern. It just means that you're gonna be waiting for a very long time for no reason today. We got news though, dropping in about 10 minutes here. Market's doing absolutely nothing. "41% of you guys have said that your trading's been okay so far. We'll get better. Turn your okay into good and figure out what it takes to get there." Starting to look very bearish now. It looked bullish, but now it looks pretty bearish. All right, I'm just gonna wait for news. Mr. Push Up, the 200 IQ comment says, "My vote wasn't based on PNL, but my process. I didn't wait for an A plus confirmed and confident entries like I wanted, but still got the TP." It's true. Sometimes winning bad trades is the worst thing that can happen to you because you start to feed into your brain that the bad trades, that bad setup was good, and it'll hurt you in the long term. Got a break of trend. Got a spike channel, break of the channel to new low. Doesn't try to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. There's a gap here that needs to be filled still. Market came back down to fill it, maybe. Hey, I might take the big mama on the 5-minute chart. Jeez Louise. Interesting. Such a strong move up here. What is this? What in the world is going on right now, pandas? What is happening? I mean, news in about 6 minutes. I feel like I'm gonna sit on my pause until then, but what is happening right? This price action is crazy. It's absolutely insane right now. Hmm. Higher low setup on the 2000 tick chart. Still waiting for news. I think we gotta wait for the news to drop. This is kind of getting a little choppy here. Trading range price action. Ray, so much chop. I think I'm having pork for breakfast. What a move up. What a move up. Look, the 5-minute could still be always in long. Easily the 5-minute could be always in long. Easily can be 5-minute could always be always in long. Easily. Got a trap trade setting up here. News is about to drop 3 minutes. Could be wrong. I have no idea what's happening. This is why it's good to always know when news is about to happen, because this price action is probably caused by the news. You got about 2.5 more minutes, or 2 more minutes, really. All right, swatching. Got an expanding pattern here as well, so this is all the more confusing, to be honest. Five, four, three, two, one. The news has dropped. Boom. Cool. 5 minute could still be always in long here.
5-minute trap.
Jeez. What's going on? Looks like the 5 minute wants to fill the gap. There's a little gap on the 5 minute chart. It might want to fill and also touch the 20 MA here. I may want to buy it off the 20 MA. Ooh, I may buy it off the 20 MA here with a limit order. It's not what I typically do, but I feel like it'd be a good trade, to be honest. Doesn't quite fill the gap. Close, but no cigar. I usually never do this. But wish me luck. Thoughts and prayers. Just buying off the 20 MA here. Buying off the 20 MA. I just feel like it fills the gap, plus also tests the 20 MA, so it'd be a good support here. It could be really wrong. Like, I could be really, really wrong here. Give myself 5 points. Actually, give myself 4 points here. Hopefully 4 points is enough. Just thinking this is like a double support here. Looking for some sort of bounce. Thinking it might be always in long here. Oof. Alright. I guess I was wrong. Maybe really, really bearish now. Takes me out. Okay. Cool. Jeez, alright. Oh, looks like it. Well, it looks like it wants to get to yesterday's close on the 2000 tick. I thought we could bounce off the 5-minute 20 MA. Get a little nice limit order trade off of it. Guess not. Right, it's really the first touch of the 20 MA once we really traded above it. Thinking we get some support here. We shall see, though. Doesn't look like I'm getting much here. Ouch. Maybe dumb trade at the end. Just a dumb trade, huh? Just a goober trade. Try about a limit order off 20 MA here. Filling the gap as well. It's the exact same spot for both. Terrible trade. Try to buy off the 20 MA. It doesn't look good. Hopefully people are always in long, but we'll see. Ooh. Okay. Aw. Aw. Why you gotta do that to me? I could skunk this for anything under, okay. As long as we're underneath the 20 MA, it's gonna be a problem for us. And hey. Ah. Alright. No bounce off the 20 MA. Sorry. Sorry about that, pandas. I thought we'd get a nice little bounce. Guess not. Trap trade on 10,000 tick chart actually triggers here. We get a little reversal now after taking me out. Yeah, it's too confusing. Too confusing for me. Look at that. Look at that nonsense right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 overlapping bars in a row. Jeez, takes me out and now goes and reverses. Ah, how annoying is that? How annoying is that? How frustrating is that, pandas? I can't tell you how frustrating that is. Takes me out, shoots me right in the tick. Actually, a little more than a tick, right? Pretty much shoots me right in the tick and reverses. Jeez. Nasty, 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 nasty. I mean, look at the 2000 tick chart. Look how many overlapping bars there are. That's just gross. Untradeable. Untradeable. I was up quite a bit. Now I'm down. Like, not break even, but just up a little bit here. Basically 1 point. Okay, looks quite bearish. Jeez Louise. We have a repeat from yesterday. This is gonna undershoot to me currently. Strong bear bar on the 10,000 tick. What a goober trade I took. I tried to take a limit order off the 5-minute chart. I mean, just try to buy limits. Maybe got a scalp up. Doesn't do that. It's all good. You just take the hit, move on. 10,000 tick chart trap this trigger strong bear bar ending on its low. Perhaps Big Mama here. I may tempt it again. If you want to take a trap trade here, I'd be more inclined to do that. I feel there's more price action, trading range type price action here. Ooh, might get a fail second entry short. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it with 2 and I'll run it. Give me that fail second entry short, please. Please give me that fail second entry short. What is that inside bar? Give me that trap. Ooh, come to Papa. Give me that trap trade. Oh boy, that does not look good. That is not how you want your trap trade to react the moment you enter it. The 2 to 1 on that trap trade here. Reversing on me. Whoa. L4 setup. Get me out of there, man. That L4 setup triggers. What is that? That's nasty. Darn it! Pandas! I skunked it. I skunked a good trade. Darn it! I saw the L4 setup. It triggered just some funky stuff. Oh no. Now I have all this FOMO. This is the beginning of the tilt. This is how the tilt begins, pandas. Oh no. It makes a 1-to-1. Ah, I could have been in this trade. I just saw the L4 setup trigger. I just couldn't handle it. Cannot hold it. It's gonna make the 2-to-1 without me, huh? What a funky price action that was. I wanted that 2-to-1, but it started doing some funky stuff right there. I couldn't hold it, pandas, for the 2-to-1, but it looks like it's gonna make it without me. Goodness gracious, pandas. I mean, what can you do? You gotta let it go sometimes. Just gotta let it go. It makes it 2-to-1. Could have held it. Was in that trade. End up skunking it because of the funky price action. Ah, today's not the day, huh? I don't think today's the day, pandas. I just don't think it's it. No more unfinished business on the 5-minute chart. We do fill the gap and test the 20 EMA now, so let's see what happens here. Compares to see if it turns always in long. Ooh, okay. Doesn't quite hit the. It doesn't quite hit yet. The 2-to-1. I think it will though. Ooh. Hmm. I'll probably be always in long if the 5-minute prints another bull bar here. If we get a 5-minute candle, 2 bull bars above the 20 MA, I may just be always in long on the 5-minute chart, at least back to the top of the trading range. You see, we have this trading range here, bottom, I come back to the top. Currently, it could actually trigger a fail second entry long here on the 5-minute chart.
5-minute trap.
Yep, 5-minute trap. Notice how the 5-minute trap alert goes off before the trap triggers, telling you that it's approaching, which is very important, right? You want the alert to happen before. It's the whole point of being alerted. You actually don't make the 2-to-1. Jeez, all right. Trap may trigger on the 5-minute chart now. Very confusing. Just sitting on my pause here. Confused out of my mind. Trap triggers on the 5-minute chart. Absolutely incredible. I say it's absolutely incredible because the 5-minute printed a strong bull bar and it still triggers a trap. It just looks terrible. I can't take this trade, but it's there. But it's there. Expander is currently up 6,700 across 3 Apex. Let's go, baby. Expander just killing it. Everyone's killing except yours truly. Yours truly is getting killed. Kellyanne actually is saying the most obvious, but some of us need to hear it. She's saying the market is sideways. That's it. That's all you need to know, pandas. The market is sideways. So why are we trying to find trades that go with trend? The market is going sideways. Making lots of money. I did what was opposite of Pan. If you did what was opposite of me, then you would be negative $62. Congratulations. You be negative 62. But even if you're negative 62, that's probably still more money than you usually make. So you're welcome. Ooh, high or low setup here. Yikes, this could be some strong bullishness here. Oh, setting up for a nice move up here, in my opinion. Setting for a really nice move up here. Setting for a really nice move up here, in my opinion. Could be a double top. I'm not copying my trades here. It's looking uglier and uglier as it progresses. It is gone. No way I'm taking that anymore. Bye-bye. Jeez. I mean, nice thing is, the decision's easy. You just let it go. It's a triangle forming here. I just have no idea what's happening. I'm just watching this develop, just like you guys. It keeps pushing down. Hmm. I don't know. Just watching this. I have no idea what's happening here, pandas. 5 minute looks just creepy. There's all these long legs like spiders. 10,000 tick chart triggers a second entry short, lower high second entry short. Big Mama, maybe? Big Mama? I'll play. I'll come out to play. I don't know if it'll even trigger, to be honest, though. I don't know if we're gonna get down there. Huh? I don't know. I did not feel confident about this big mama. I'll tell you that much. I didn't feel confident about any trade here, really. Break a trend, retest. Another push down here. It's a terrible looking signal bar if you're going to take this short here. It's a bad looking signal bar. I can't take it. Better off taking the trap, failed trap. Seeing my pause. I mean, it actually looks good now. It's a good signal bar. Basically, breakout, retest, and it keeps pushing down here. I think the overall price action is a little too choppy, and I think it'll come back up. I think it's too much of a trading range. But who knows? This is like a pretty textbook play to do, right? Breakout, retest of that breakout area. Pretty common price action setup. Lower high. Could be a good trade at the end. This lower high setup. It's a little confusing. I'm just sitting on my pause. I don't know what to do. Comes off the 20 MA as well. Ends up being a pretty decent trade, I guess. Yeah, ends up being a good trade here. That second attempt is a better trade than the first attempt here. Think about approaching. Let's see if it's good though. It's making me nervous, to be honest. Very nervous. Got Big Mom set up here. It's the second attempt on Big Mama. I don't know if I like it, but I'm gonna try just for some content here. What a push. Just what a push. This is disgusting. Mm, what a move up. All right. We may never trigger Big Mama here. What a move up. Seriously. What can I do here, Pandas? I don't even know. I'm looking for a reversal trade, I guess. I think you gotta think about the 5 minute traders who sold down here. You know, two bear bars underneath the 20 MA. You sell down here and you see this bar, what's your reaction? It doesn't give you a bunch of warm and fuzzies. You're thinking you want to also reverse your trade here to basically make up some of the money lost from selling down here. Huh. I mean, look at this rocket ship back up. Doesn't even trigger Big Mama. I don't know what to do, Pandas. Just watching. Some crazy price action, I'll tell you that much. Second entry long here. Only problem is a 5 minute 20 MA is blocking you right there. Unfortunately. Second entry long about a trigger here. The only problem is a 5 minute chart. 20 EMA is blocking you. I just cannot take the trade. I can't do it, Pandas. I cannot take the second entry long. It's a 5 minute chart. 20 EMA is blocking you. Oh man, it's a beautiful looking trade at the end. But I gotta stick with my convictions here. I just can't do it if the 20 EMA is blocking you on the 5 minute chart. I've been stung way too many times by that. Really good looking setup. Might have a measure move even. The textbook setup though. Darn. Pretty textbook. Good looking signal bar. Well, really entry bar. Could make a measure move here. Pretty textbook. Second entry long. Jeez. A, B, C. Makes an easy measure move, it looks like. I'm looking for the 2 bull bars above the 20 MA on the 5-minute chart. I'm always in long. That's what I'm looking for now. Easily makes that measure move. Disgusting. That's just filthy, pandas. It's filthy. Straight filthy. Oh my god. Give me a 5-minute. Strong bull bar above the 20 MA. 2 bull bars. You know what I mean? AIL, BTC. Always in long by the close. That's what I'll be doing. We'll know the second entry long here after measure move was made. I'm really just curious how the 5-minute candle is going to look like after this. Timothy Chopo, yo, nice to see ya, brother. Nice to see you too. Doesn't go always and long on the 5-minute, but I need 2 strong bull bars. This is not a strong bull bar. It's just a bull bar. But they're 2 bull closes above the 20-minute. But this is not indicative to me. It's a strong move up. Too much of a wick. Pushing up. I mean, I was trying to go always and long on the 5-minute, but this is not a strong bull bar above the 20-minute. It's a bull bar, but that's not the close. That's not the kind of bar you want. Unfortunately, I had to skip it, but it's moving up quite strongly now. Yeah, I might have missed the trade. Might have missed the setup, but I don't think I would trade it any other way, to be honest. It's as much as well I would trade it as any other day. Just sucks I'm losing on a loser, or I'm ending on a loser here. What's going on here, pandas? A higher low setup? Do I like it? I don't know. Probably not gonna take any trades for the rest of the stream. It just looks ugly. Looks scary. Looks like it's about to tip over. Looks toppy. What can I say? Second entry long. Hmm. Second entry long here. That's a good looking signal bar. That is a muy bueno signal bar right there coming off the 20 MA. Very bueno. Doesn't quite trigger it though. Doesn't quite trigger the second entry long, so the signal bar means absolutely nothing. It needs to trigger, but since it doesn't, that signal bar means absolutely nothing. If anything, it just means chop. Technically, loan does trigger here. The trap triggers, but it's so choppy. I'm just saying on my pause, so sideways. You just sit on your pause in situations like this. Way too much overlap. We're in a trade range indicator here. Trap triggers, but it's not a good spot to trap either. Just sitting on your paws really still. Scalps out so easy. It is. It scalps out so easily. Goodness. Can't trade like this. You gotta break a trend to new high as well. I mean, it's just a signal bar. I don't know. This gets so sideways. I'm not looking for a setup here, but still works out. I think I am done today, Pandas. I just cannot read the market for what it is. I can't do it. For whatever reason, I cannot read the market for what it is. So, sucks. But it is what it is. Pandas, that being said, we're up a little bit today. I mean, we're up a little bit more than this, but took a dumb trade with a limit order. Coming off the 20 MA, just thought it'd be a good trade. But Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Remember, tomorrow is the last day to use BBM 90. Make sure you take advantage of it while you still can. I'll see you guys bright and early, 9 o'clock for the pre-market show, 9:15 for the main stream. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit that bell notification icon. I am traveling, so I may not, there's some days I may not be able to make it to the stream. It really depends. Last second I may have to make a last second change. Who knows? But if you want to stay up to date, please subscribe and make sure you hit the bell notification icon. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Trade safe, everybody. This market's a little bit tricky today, so I hope you guys can take advantage of that. And yeah, as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.